Hey everybody, it's Ruth and Todd back again today, and it's September, and we have a change of season from summer to fall, and Ruthie and I were thinking and want to talk about change in life, change between seasons, change for what you think and what we think could be a better life for you, better health, change in attitude. So I'm going to let Ruthie take it away and talk about what she thinks about the change. Go ahead, Ruth.
Hello to my wonderful family, all the wonderful friends that I have. And this is a new season. It's fall time. And we go into Halloween and Thanksgiving. What a time to be thankful. But we don't have to wait just for Thanksgiving. Every day in my world, in my mindset, I'm thankful every day. I have the most amazing family around me, and family that's in other states that I love, and we're always in touch. And it's so wonderful because I don't text to everybody. So I say, pick up that phone and give me that call.
Yep.
And you want to know why? It's shorter to call on the phone. You're going to start texting, Toddy. What's going to happen?
Yeah, I don't like texting.
And then your fingertips are going to start bothering you.
Oh, my God, the fingertips.
We don't want that, do we?
No. But what about the change in season?
Oh,
and
my
the change
God.
Of,
always say...
What about change?
Change is wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
If you're not feeling up to par, think about it. What is happening to me? Because I get into my car, it gets fuel and it goes. Maybe I need a little more energy. And I found out recently I need a little bit more iron to keep pumping me up.
A little more iron, that would do
So
it.
why not? Make sure, see your doctor, get your checkups, and from there, use your good common sense.
Mm-hmm.
But activity we must have.
Yes.
We cannot sit like a couch potato.
No, we don't want to be couch potatoes. Definitely not.
Eat all those potato chips, do we? No.
No. So change. You can do that. You can change the way you eat, your diet.
That's right.
So, think about it. The way you've been eating or what you've been doing and you're not happy with it or you're not happy how you're looking or what's going on, you can change that by making a change.
Absolutely.
Right?
And I got to tell you something. I like a snack or two.
We know that. We know you like a snack or two.
But I'll have it on the weekend. I'm not going to have it every single day because that's going to bring my blood sugar up.
Mm-hmm.
And what else? The doctor tells, watch out for prediabetes.
Oh.
Well, we don't want to get to that stage. Now, you may be very young, in your 30s or 40s.
Mm-hmm.
But you know something? Now's the time to start.
Yep.
Because I started before 20, in my 20s, sorry. And I started with my calcium. Thank God I did.
Yep.
I just had a mishap recently. And believe me, thank God it wasn't a fracture or worse.
That's right. Change your diet. That's one thing.
Yeah.
You can change. You can get a better mindset and think things are positive daily instead of worrying about all these issues in your life. So change. And when you're having these thoughts and feelings in your mind that you're not happy with, think about those thoughts and tell yourself, change and make it happen. So also start exercising. You can start exercising, right? So with the diet, you can exercise, right?
I love it. I love it so much. I put my music on and I play good music. How about Unforgettable by Nat King Cole? And
what does that do for you? What's the music do? What does it feel like?
It feels like the feelings of warmth and family and friends around me. And those people are always in my heart. You may be far away, but you're close and far. And
so that music changes how you feel, changes your attitude, makes the day better.
It does. And if you want a little
That's a good tip for you guys out there. You're having a bad day, throw on some music you like, something that's going to make you feel good.
And dance around the house.
Oh, I love it, dancing. What do you do? Let's see your dance. You do a little dancing?
Around the house. Come on. Why not? Go crazy.
Go crazy. We like to go crazy.
Oh, but don't forget, when you give someone a hug or you meet someone and you're having a crappy day, but that person smiles to you, you forget about yourself. So make one person happy.
Oh, that's
and you're
another
always
thing.
going to be happy. I want to send special extra love to my son out there. I want him to know I'm always thinking of him. And to my granddaughter, please go give my son a great big hug for me.
There you go.
And also love to your mom. Remember that.
Yeah.
And all the wonderful people and cousins I have from California to Florida.
Oh, wow. You got them everywhere.
And around to Brazil as
Yeah.
well.
They tell us to keep making these videos.
Yeah. We need you. And I hope you need us.
Yes. We need
So-
to hear back from you guys as well.
Yeah, that's
Leave
it.
comments, like the video, share, subscribe. We need more subscribers for the channel. We want to spread the love, spread the news, right?
I'm spreading the news.
Well, here we go.
Every time I hear a word, I go into a song in my maturity years. I think that's great.
Yeah.
Why not? What
That's
else?
right. I don't know. You got to tell
Oh,
us.
my.
They want to hear from you out there. They like
Yeah,
all
I
your
want-
knowledge. They want to hear all the stuff that you have to say.
I want to hear what you have to say. Please, please.
Oh, tell them
I'll
to
take all
subscribe,
the
maybe.
questions. Fire away. When I go to my doctor's for a visit, the first thing he says to me, Ruth, fire away. What's on your mind? See, don't go to the doctor sitting like a dum-dum.
Oh, we don't want to sit like a dum-dum, do we?
Ask the questions. And if you're not happy what you're hearing, get another opinion.
Yeah.
And
Why do you
you-
need to listen to one doctor?
And you know what I tell the children today? It's for adults too. It's not where you go. It's who you go with.
That's right. Go
So-
find a partner out there, someone friendly, someone you want to enjoy your time with, someone
Yep.
that you can share fun experiences with. Enjoy every day.
And
That's how you make of it.
That's right. And I'm enjoying my maturity years. I'm going with my grandchildren and great-grandchildren. We're going to see them play soccer, and they are champions
Oh, here we
because
go.
they don't give up.
Never.
Never, ever give up.
We
You
never
know
give
why?
up.
There's always tomorrow.
Always.
So if you're not having that good day,
Yep.
sing a little song.
Sing a
Pick
song.
Pick up that phone.
Pick up that phone.
Make a visit.
Make a visit.
Take someone out for lunch.
Take someone out for lunch.
Don't wait for them.
Make someone else feel happy, and I bet you'll feel happy.
Be a giver. Don't be a
giver.
taker.
Oh, yeah. Don't do something and expect. Get out there and enjoy someone else's life as well.
That's right.
You know?
Everyone.
Not every little thing is a problem.
No, everyone
Enjoy
needs that
every
laugh.
day.
Everyone needs that hug.
Oh, hugs are good. Smile. She goes by people and just smiles at people. And next thing you know, she goes, hello. And then they start talking and they get into a big conversation at the Stop and Shop or somewhere, wherever she's going.
Wherever I go.
And now she has hundreds of friends when she's shopping. And I'm sure you've all seen her out there, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
And I go singing too.
Oh, yeah. And she's singing.
Welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Miracles, my friends. They happen now and then. Of course they do.
That's right.
Ha
I
ha!
love it. Love it.
And what more can I tell you today?
I know we have a birthday coming up. And
Ooh.
you are turning how old?
Oh my God.
Is it 96?
Unbelievable.
Is it?
I don't know.
95 was last year, I believe. I think it's
Where
96.
did the years go?
Just flying by.
Yeah,
You're getting stronger every year.
that's right.
Smarter every year, too, and wiser.
That doesn't mean I haven't gone through little struggles
Yeah?
But
what do we
I
do with
check-
those struggles? We kick them in the
in the butt.
butt.
So now I love what I'm doing. I'm doing bridges and planks in my maturity years
Eating good.
because I had a hip problem.
Oh,
And right away I thought, oh, what could be wrong? And my doctor, what did he tell me? This doctor was amazing.
get moving.
He got on the floor. and showed me a bridge and a plank.
Bridge and a plank.
I always heard of it, but I never knew what it was.
Yep.
People do it in their 20s and go on when they're in the gym. I'm doing it in my latter years.
Yeah. You got to exercise. Keep the body moving, right?
So what is the story? It's never too late.
Never too late.
Never, ever. So, never give up.
Never give up. All
And
right.
I send love and hugs to everyone out there.
Everybody.
And we'll catch you on another season.
Another season, another day.
That's right.
We'll probably talk to you next week, too.
Woo-hoo, who knows?
All right.
We'll be here.
We'll be here. We love y'all.
Ciao, baby.
Ciao, baby.